This video, I show you how to make PayPal money with Google for absolutely free, which is a new strategy to earn $500 per day worldwide. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is, make PayPal money with Google for free. I made over $500 in just a day. And all I had to do is copy some text, paste it into this absolutely free software. Those that stay until the end of this video will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you 3 additional websites together with Google and 1 free tool from which you can get paid free PayPal money. In case PayPal is not available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will show you how you can select other payment options like bank transfer, Payoneer, or Bitcoin and the likes. Now let us begin. Step number 1. Come over to news.google.com. This is the place where you can find the latest news and articles on the topics around the world. So literally, it's a newspaper, so you can find everything on here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Whatever you can think of, you can find it over on this website. Now, how will this actually make you money? How will this get you free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned. And you will see exactly how this works. Now, as I said, here on the left-hand side, you have all the different categories. You have news about world, you have your local news. But you simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category here on the left-hand side, that's going to give me all of the latest news and articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. And it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what do you need to do is you just need to open up one of these articles. So just find something interesting, and that you think people would be interested in reading, and just open it up, click on that. And don't worry. You will not have to write articles and you will not have to sell anything, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or whatsoever. All you literally need to do is open up that article. And you just need to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here, and we will proceed to step number 2, and to the third website that we will be using, which is called spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste that article which you found with Google News, and Spinbot will rewrite that article for you. So you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way, it becomes completely unique. And you can use it for your own purposes. And the way you will be using those articles which Spinbot has rewritten for you, is you will be using them on 3 more additional websites which I am going to share with you. They will pay you for those articles. Some of them are going to pay you $1 per word. Yes, you heard it right, $1 per word. And as you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words, and you can just do the math and see exactly how much money can be made with this strategy. Anyways, once you find the article, just paste that text in this box right here and then scroll a little bit down, click I'm not a robot, and you just click go right here. Now that's going to rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words, it's using synonyms, and it's rewriting it in your own words. So the article becomes completely unique to you. So you can copy that unique and rewritten article. And you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. First website that we will be using is called eotingwell.com. On this website, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for these guys, and get paid for doing that. But now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, if not even weeks, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high-quality articles. And these guys will pay you up to $1 per word. And this is just the first website. I have 2 more for you. However, by just this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 500 words, you can make $500 for just the article, and all it took for you was less than a day, even less than an hour of copy-pasting. Now how do you actually submit your article so you can get paid? Well, here on this page, you will just need to scroll a little bit down until you can find this section where you can find their contact info. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email and just email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you rewritten with spinbot.com. And once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. So if you want to get paid through PayPal, you just send them your PayPal email address. On the other hand, if you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave them your bank info so they can pay you. And the same goes for any other payment options. And your options are endless because there are new articles on Google News coming every couple of hours. So you can use all of those thousands and thousands of articles, rewrite them with spinbot.com, paste them into some Word document, or just save them on your computer and submit to these websites. So the first one where you can submit your articles is eotingwell.com. The second website where you can submit your articles is sierraclub.org. In order to submit your articles with Sierra Club, as you can see, you have these instructions over here. You simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you just copy this, go over to your email, paste the contact details here, in the subject line just type in submission and just submit your article. Now with Sierra Club, you will not be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with eotingwell.com, but instead, you will need to find something related to technology or science. So those two categories are for sierraclub.org. So just find some technology or science article with Google News, open it up, copy its texts, and paste it on spinbot.com. Let it rewrite for you and just submit it over to this email address from these websites. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines. You can read more about how it works. And these guys will pay you a little bit less money. But it's still a good one to use because you can still earn free PayPal money from this and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you for up to 2,000 words article only, and they will pay you around 31 cents per word. So it's not as high as the previous two websites. But it's still decent at 31 cents on average. 31 cents per word is not bad at all, because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted. But even if you get one article accepted per day, you can easily make $500 a day just by copy and pasting. It was all absolutely free and you don't have to wait around. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification.